hello there. You here for your eye exam? Wonderful. My name is Bryony. Please just take a seat just in front of me there. So before we begin, just confirm your full name and date of birth. Wonderful, thank you. Now, can you tell me a little bit about what you've been experiencing? Any symptoms of any kind? Okay. So this probably is more of a routine checkup. Right. And do you get any sort of severe headaches, migraines? Okay. And how about blurred vision or double vision? Okay. Do you get any redness or watering from the eyes? You would know if you did. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm going to do a thorough check over. Okay. So you just try and make yourself comfortable. Alright, I'm just going to get some gloves. Okay, I'm just going to pop these gloves on. Okay. Now, would it be okay if I just come a little bit closer to you? I just want to feel around and have a little look at your eyes, okay? Wonderful. Okay. They generally feel okay. I'm not too concerned about them sort of visually. They look like they're in good shape. Now I'm going to check your focus. Okay, so could you just look here? Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look. Okay, just blink. Blink. Okay. Are my hands close? Far away, okay? Close and far. Good. 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 Okay, blink. Blink. Okay, just look here. 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 Okay, blink. Blink. Okay, look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Very good. Look at the light. Look at the rabbit. Look at the handle. Look at the switch. Look at the light. Look at the switch. Look at the light. Look at my nose. Look at the handle. Look at my mouth. Look at that handle. Look at the light. Very good. Blink. Blink. Okay. Can you tell me how many fingers I'm holding up? Good. How many? 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 Good. 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 Very good. Okay, just blink. Blink. Okay. I don't want to put any strain on your eyes. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my fingers in to your vision. Tell me when you can see them, okay? Good. 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 Wonderful. I'm now going to do the opposite, okay? I'm going to take them out of your vision. Tell me when you can't see them, okay? Good. 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 Very good. Well done. Okay, blink. 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 Perfect. Okay, could you now just look at my finger? Now follow my finger, okay? Follow my finger. Okay, follow this finger. Very good. Well done. Okay. Now I'm going to use a light. I'm going to have a little look into your eyes, okay? Do not look at the light. Look over here for me, okay? That's it. Do not look at the light. Look over here. Good. Do not look at the light. Okay. Look over here. Okay, look over here. Again, do not look at the light. Look over here. Do not look at the light. Okay. Alright, well done. Okay, now could you just look up for me? Okay, look down. Okay, look left. And look right. Very good. Okay. Alright. Could you now just follow the light? Follow the light for me. Very good. Keep following the light. Wonderful, well done. Okay. I'm now going to use this light. What I want you to do, I want you to look at it and follow it, okay? Keep your eye on it. It's not very bright. Just keep your eye on the light. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Okay, well done. Okay, I'm now going to use a brighter light. Just look at the light. 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 Okay. Could you now follow the light for me? Just follow the light. Very good. Keep following the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. Well done. Okay, could you now just tell me the number? What's this one? 9. Good. This one? Good. This one. Do the first one. Good. Can you do this one? Good. How about this one? It's tricky. Can you do this one? Okay, can you do this one? This one. Is that difficult? Okay. That's fine. You actually only need to get to about here. So you are absolutely fine. Okay. Now we're just going to try this eye chart. Okay. So could you tell me what this one is? E. Good. This one. Good. 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 This one. And the last one, colour is the box? What colour is this one? Perfect, well done. Okay, well, your eyes are actually in perfect condition. I don't see any concerns at all. There are quite a few more tests that we can do, but you responded well to my instructions. You're very good at focusing. You have really good pupil response, actually, which is great. And you managed to cope with the light well and follow the light. And your eyes generally responded very well. You managed to read the eye charts, which is great. And I just don't think there's any need to continue because your eyes are absolutely perfect. Now, if you do get any symptoms of any kind, or you feel your eyes are worsening, then please do come back and I can do a much thorough test for you. Okay? Alright. Well, take care. And I'll see you soon. Alright. So, no concerns. Next appointment in 6 months.